people in here in Utah, and most of the population lives within this valley, there's a very real air quality problem out here. We tangibly see it every single winter for 6 to 8 months out of the year. And so when people can see it, everything else goes out the window. They just want to breathe better. They just want to have better air quality. They want to be able to have lower emissions. And so I actually feel that the adoption out here in Utah, once the infrastructure is supported, once you get the support behind the vehicles, once you get the proper incentives to it, I think it can adopt and go very, very fast out here. We're experiencing a education curve because it is new technology. Everybody knows about the EV car, but when it comes into installing them and how they work with maintenance, so we're having to do a lot of that front-end education, but we're seeing once we get there that we can deploy very quickly. A decision is made very, very quickly on it. That's what happened with the FreeWire charger out here. We think there's pent-up demand. You gotta get charged somewhere. No one's gonna go get into an EV or an advanced vehicle if they don't know where to fuel it, whether it's at their place of work or along the routes. When we started wanting to get into the DC fast charger at this location, it really came down to operating costs. We know we were gonna put the investment in, right? So that wasn't a big concern, but how can we afford it or make it the most affordable and economical long-term? So the FreeWire having the integrated battery, lower demand charges, mitigating that was really important to us and very exciting. We like the idea of having the battery pack that's in there. We like being able to see the modulation between inputs and outputs. It was very attractive, that package, versus what we've seen or needed with other chargers. We've done a very conscious effort to reduce our energy consumption. Being able to move it in different locations if we need it. If this location isn't working out, or as the business develops and grows, being able to replace it or move it somewhere else was very important for us. So whether it's at our multifamily properties or where there's more public views, let's say national parks and such, we're really interested in helping deploy those there too. Our premise has always been go where the customer demand is and what they want. And they're asking us for this, and so that's where we are.